get on the floor. I probably wouldn't do this in your bed or the sofa. Get on the floor. Now this one's called McKenzie extension because it's named after an amazing New Zealander, of course, called Robin McKenzie. Now this one here is to reverse the sitting flexed position. So if you notice what I'm doing, hands directly under shoulders. Now when I push up, of course my pelvis is going to come off a little bit, but I'm trying to keep the front of my pelvic rim bones on the ground, okay, so your pubic bone if you like. I don't mean the front bony parts here, the middle part. So that's what you're trying to keep on the ground. So it's not like a yoga one where you're coming way off. You're actually trying to keep it down so you actually stretch through the lower back. Now, some of you won't be able to get up that far. I've got a pretty mobile lower back. So some of you may find you can only get to there because you're so stiff. Well, you've got to start somewhere. But what I would aim for is when you push up, you just go to the stiffness and don't try and hammer through it. Just go to the stiffness and then come down. And you're after about 2 seconds at the stiffness for the stretch and come down. It's not a sustained one. I don't want you sitting there and just holding it there for minutes, okay? You do 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down.